Alex from Backyard Grannies. Today we're in Hamlyn Terrace, a quiet leafy suburb located on the New South Wales Central Coast. Like many of the projects we complete, this granny flat was built for multi-generational living with its own street frontage and separate entrance. When you first step through the door, you're greeted by the combined living and dining, flowing through to the galley-style kitchen, showcasing a window splashback and sliding doors leading onto the outdoor patio. The home features 2 bedrooms, each with a ceiling fan and built-in robe, a stylish bathroom and a separate laundry for ease and practicality. This granny flat offers all the benefits of a private new home without the price tag. Curious what you can do in your own backyard? Contact our team today.